Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error 100 for Path of Exile 2 for the PC. What does this error mean? So this is usually a server error, or it could be a software error. There's a couple of ways to fix this, but first you want to make sure that the servers are actually up. You want to visit their website and visit basically Twitter to see if the servers are actually up or not. By the way, I would also recommend logging into the Washington DC servers if you're getting disconnected from the EU servers. They are getting DDoSed very heavily recently, and although they are trying to fix it, the Washington DC servers seem to be the most stable. Okay, after you've done that, let's do a couple of things on Windows to make sure that this isn't a problem with your software. So find this game in Steam, right click on the game, go to Properties. Left hand side from the installed files, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, wait for it to run. By the way, since you're here, go to Browse, find Path of Exile on Steam, right click on the application and say Run as Administrator. You can also go to Properties, go to Compatibility, and click Run this program as Administrator and hit Apply. You can also, by the way, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. Give that a shot to see if that helps you. It does help some people, especially if you're running on an older version of Windows. Okay. It can also be a weak internet connection. So you want to make sure that try to turn off your router and turn it back on. Turn it off for about 30 seconds or so. The next thing you want to try is to turn off your Windows Defender. So type in Windows Security. From here, go to Firewall and Network Protection. You see public network here active, turn that off temporarily and see if that fixes the issue. If you have any kind of third-party firewall, antiviruses or firewalls, I would recommend turning them off temporarily. The next thing, of course, is to update any kind of drivers. If you have the NVIDIA app, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, I would recommend getting an NVIDIA app and getting this software and to upload the driver. I would also recommend downloading any kind of updates for Windows. So go to Settings and search, left hand side, go to Windows Update and check for updates. If there are any updates, I would recommend you updating it. Also I recommend you update your network drivers. So go to Device Manager. Under Network Drivers, Network Adapters, find whatever network adapter you're using, right click on it, go to Update Device and search automatically for drivers. Okay. Next, I would recommend clearing the game cache. So how do you do that? Open your Windows browser here. Go to C. Go to Users. Find whoever you are. Go to Documents. Go to My Games. Path of Exile 2. And you should see a cache or a shader cache folder in here. You may not, depending on what version of Path of Exile 2 you're running. If you do see it, try deleting it and see if that fixes the issue. Another issue might be the Windows 11 24H2 update, which seems to be messing with a lot of people's game. So how do you do this? Go just type in Settings under Windows Update on the bottom. Click on that. Go to Advanced Options right here. And from here, click on Recovery, and from here, if you installed the update within 10 days, you can click on Go Back, and you can roll back the update to a previous update and see if that fixes the issue. Okay, another couple things I would recommend. Turning off any kind of overlay. So by the way, right click on the game, go to Properties, uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in game. I would also recommend turning off Discord overlay and NVIDIA overlay as well. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but it's not hard to do. Next, I would recommend a software called Exit Lag. This is what I use every time I hook up to Path of Exile 2. Basically, it's like a VPN, but it finds the server closest to where you are and it improves the ping in online games. My ping for Steam is 3. With an average ping of 7, that is absolutely amazing. You can see right here my ping is 3, and you can find Path of Exile 2 in the list here, and it will automatically find whatever server you are, apply the routes, and then it will lower the ping that way. This is a paid software. but I'll put a link in my video description below, and you get a week completely for free to try it out. You don't need a credit card, just give it a try, why not? And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.